Hello, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Thank you for watching. Good morning. I didn't show me getting everything ready. I don't think there was anything to show. So this might even be a quick video. Today I'm my first morning back from the vet trip. I come into, let's see how many emails we got. 114 emails from being away from the office for one day. But for breakfast, I have my peach yogurt. This is the one that I took with me yesterday and I brought back, so I'm going to eat on it today. And I've got an egg casserole, and that's going to be my breakfast. Bye. Oh, and I'm going to eat it cold with everything, you know. It's too early, and I've got to get to these emails, so I'm just going to eat it cold. And I'm still drinking on my coffee. Okay, bye. It's lunchtime, and I'm having my pork, my pulled pork, and green beans with rutabaga. I can't tilt it because it's going to spill out. So I'll have this for my lunch. Boy, this is going to be a short video. And, and some mozzarella cheese. See you at supper. Hello, it's supper time, and I'm home from work. Please don't ask me what this is I'm making, because I don't know. I just know I've got things in the refrigerator that I need to get rid of. And so, and things in the freezer. This is a creamy spinach artichoke stuffed chicken. This is 490 calories for the container. So it's both pieces is a little less than 500 calories. Remember, I budget my main to be 600 to 650. So these two is less than what I usually eat. But I want to go on and finish it. There's 4 total carbs in both of these. It says microwave, let's see, remove from packaging, place on, microwave safe plates, microwave high for 90 seconds, flip, and do it for 90 to 120 seconds. Total heat time 3 to 3.5 minutes. Allow to cool for 1.5 minutes. So, first we're going to get this going. Let me get a plate. Like I said, we're kind of getting some things that we need to get rid of and do something with. So, let's see what we think of this. Now, okay. Right here. For one serving is 1 piece. So they do not package these for people like a single person who would want one of these. You're going to have to open both of them. It was the same with their other stuff. I feel like that's not a very good thing. Because, you know, once you open a package, it kind of, you know, it never gets sealed up the way it should. So I think that's silly. But what do I know? Anyway, I'm going to put this in for 2 minutes, and we're going to get working on the next thing. Okay, this is the one that I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. This was some spaghetti squash. I took a knife, and I cut it so it's going to be smaller. No, get back, Luke. Get back, buddy. I'm kind of wanting something in the southwestern style. Again, remember, I'm down about an extra 100 calories for my main, so I'm gonna add some things to my side. So that's spaghetti squash, and I'm gonna add some olives to go. These are whole olives. I'm thinking, like I said, southwestern. This one, I don't think this is southwestern. I'm going to add a little bit of this harissa sauce. I haven't used this in a while. So I'm going to add a little of that. I'm going to add a little bit of the mild, Chi-Chi's mild verde sauce. So tomorrow, Lou has surgery on his ears. They texted me today. The surgeon is in town, and he is able to do it tomorrow. So, so I will not, God love him. He loves to eat. He's like me. I'm telling you, he's my spirit animal. So in the morning, I'm not going to be able to feed him. So when you have 4 dogs, it's a little rough, especially when none of them are in a kennel. And I can't feed the others in front of him. That's just plumb cruel. So what I will do is I'm going to stall as long as I can. Well, I'm going to stall till right before I leave to go to work. Or, well, when I leave to take him. Let's see. Do I want to Yeah, I can microwave. I'm going to put some onions on it because, I like onions. So I'm going to put some red onions on here. So I'm going to stall as long as I can till right before I leave. And then I will, hang on, let me break these up a little better. And then I will take him out to the garage and feed them while he's out in the garage. And then I will put him in the car so he's not smelling it, he's not hearing it, he's not exposed to them eating. But then I'll take him off to the vet. And then I will have to come home at lunchtime to let the others out because, dogs really need to go to the bathroom about 30 minutes to an hour after they're done eating. So I will have to come home around 11ish so I can let these dogs out. If there's any accidents, I can't get mad at them. I'm kind of setting them all up for failure tomorrow. But I have a meeting until 11, so I can't do anything about it. Now, that beeped, and I'm going to microwave this for a minute while I flip those. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to microwave the other one for 2 minutes. So now it says to flip these. So that's going to go 2 minutes. I'm going to kind of clean up some of this stuff. I'll be right back. Alright, so I microwaved this for 2 minutes. And so like I said, Lou is not going to be able to eat or drink after 10 p.m. tonight. And he is hovering around me already like, what you got there, Mama? So it's a good thing I don't eat in the house, or I don't eat breakfast at home. I'm going to add some of these roasted red bell peppers because I don't have any raw bell peppers. I'm going to add some of these banana peppers. But, yeah, so in the morning, he's going to be hungry. And I thought about taking him to daycare. But then I'm like, well, that's really not cost effective. So, and I'm putting in some Frigo Parmesan cheese. Makes me remind of that friggin' Parmesan cheese, which is a cuss word. I know, Mom. I'm sorry, Mama. That's a bad, not nice word. Because we all know what friggin' stands for when people say that. It ain't nice, and I'm sorry, Mama. So now I'm going to add, instead of, yeah, that's still good. I'm going to add some zero-fat Greek yogurt. Like I say, I never know what's going to hit me, and for what I want. So this may be disgusting, but I'm just kind of wanting this. Ooh, I know I need some salt. That's for sure. And again, remember, most of my food is not processed, so there's very minimal salt. So when I add salt, it's because most stuff doesn't have salt. Hey, I worked on my videos, and if you're watching this and you're on a weight loss journey, here's some tomatoes, and not on a maintenance journey, I created a playlist that you can go look at, and it's when I was in weight loss mode. So it's all together. You don't have to scroll back 11 videos because, since I record almost every day, that's a lot of videos for somebody to have to watch or scroll past. So what you can do is go to my main page and sorry, I know that's rude. But go to my main page and look at all my playlists. I've got Carnivore, I've got meal prep, I've got my Sunday special meal prep. I've got the stuff I make almost every week, which is things like my breakfast casserole and my protein powder coffee. And then now I've got this playlist for weight loss mode. So at the end of all my videos, you'll see macros because I counted my macros and I shared those along the way. So take a look at that playlist if you want to see how I was eating then. Because I'm in maintenance mode right now. So I'm not trying to lose right now. I'm happy where I'm at now. I have lost, but I'm not trying to lose. So yeah, hang on. Let me put this away and let's see what we think of this stuff. All right, let's see about this hot mess. Let's see if this tastes okay. Oh, I don't know if I stirred it up since I added the salt or not. What I did was I cut up the spaghetti squash strips so they'll be shorter. Yep. That's good to me. Listen, you can put salsa and yogurt and cheese on anything and it'll make it taste good. You can put on a pile of poop and it would taste good. Come on. Come on, somebody. That's what the pastor of church says when he's like really getting into it. He's like, whenever he's like, come on, somebody. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling the truth. So that's what I'm saying. Come on, somebody. You know you can put cheese on anything. Pile of poop will taste good. Alright, I forgot what flavor I said these were. Hang on. Creamy spinach and artichoke. Listen, puppy dog, you gotta get out from under my feet. You're gonna get stepped on, and I can't be held responsible. It's better than tacos. Yeah. This is good. If you're somebody that eats food on the go, you aren't so worried about making things as perfectly clean as possible. Or if you work and you want something to take to lunch. Yeah. Yeah. I approve of these. Alright. Well, I approve of their taste, but I do not approve of the fact that they don't have them individually wrapped. I think that is a thumbs down. The box has a thumbs up. I say that's a thumbs down on that part. Okay, have a good day. Bye.